Many students dream of earning their own money, gaining real-world experience, and building a flexible career. Freelancing offers an incredible path to achieve all of this, even if you feel like you have no experience. It's a world of opportunity waiting for you to explore. You might be thinking, but I'm just a student. What do I have to offer? The truth is, you possess valuable skills and a unique perspective. This guide will show you exactly how to leverage what you have and start your freelance career from scratch. The first step is to believe in your own potential. Don't let the idea of no experience hold you back. Everyone starts somewhere, and many successful freelancers began with very little. Focus on your transferable skills. Are you good at research, writing, organizing, or problem solving? These are highly valuable in the freelance market. Your academic journey has already equipped you with many foundational abilities. Embrace a learning mindset. Freelancing is a continuous journey of growth. Be open to acquiring new skills and adapting to client needs. Your willingness to learn is a powerful asset. What are you genuinely good at or passionate about? Think about your hobbies, coursework, or even things you do for fun. These can often be turned into marketable services. Consider skills like writing, graphic design, social media management, video editing, web research, or even tutoring. Even basic computer literacy can be a starting point for virtual assistant tasks. Research what services are in demand. Look at popular freelancing platforms or job boards to see what clients are hiring for. Match these demands with your existing or developing skills. A portfolio is crucial, but you don't need paying clients to build one. Start with personal projects that showcase your abilities. If you want to be a writer, write articles on topics you care about. Offer your services for free or at a very low rate to friends, family, or local nonprofits. This gives you real-world projects and testimonials. These early projects are invaluable for demonstrating your work. Create mock projects. Design a logo for a fictional company, write a blog post for a hypothetical client, or edit a video using publicly available footage. The goal is to show what you can do. Participate in online challenges or communities related to your chosen skill. Many design or writing communities offer prompts that can help you create portfolio pieces. Every piece of work you create adds to your credibility. Identify the core skills needed for your chosen niche and commit to mastering them. There are countless free resources available online. YouTube tutorials, blogs, and free online courses can teach you a lot. Consider investing in affordable online courses from platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or edX. These often provide structured learning paths and certifications that can boost your confidence and credibility. Practice consistently. Learning a skill is one thing. Applying it effectively is another. Dedicate time each day or week to honing your craft. The more you practice, the better you become. Focus on practical application. As you learn, immediately try to apply that knowledge to a portfolio project. This reinforces your learning and builds your body of work simultaneously. Even without clients, you need a professional online presence. Start with a strong LinkedIn profile that highlights your skills, projects, and aspirations. Connect with professionals in your desired field. Create a simple online portfolio. This could be a free website builder, a dedicated portfolio platform, or even a well-organized Google Drive folder. Make it easy for potential clients to see your work. Clearly articulate what you offer. Your profile and portfolio should quickly convey your services and the value you bring. Use clear, concise language that speaks directly to client needs. Ensure your online presence is consistent and professional across all platforms. This builds trust and shows you are serious about your freelance career. First impressions matter greatly. Networking is incredibly powerful. Tell everyone you know that you're freelancing. Friends, family, professors, and classmates might know someone who needs your services. Word of mouth is a strong referral source. Explore freelancing platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. While competitive, they can be a good starting point for beginners. Focus on creating a compelling profile and bidding on smaller, entry-level projects. Look for local businesses or startups that might need your services. Many small businesses operate on tight budgets and are open to working with new talent at reasonable rates. Offer a clear solution to their problems. Don't be afraid of cold outreach. Identify businesses or individuals who could benefit from your skills and send them a personalized email or LinkedIn message. Focus on how you can help them, not just what you do. This is often the trickiest part for beginners. Don't undervalue your work, even if you're just starting. Research what others with similar skills are charging for comparable services. Consider starting with project-based pricing rather than hourly rates. This allows you to focus on delivering value and avoids clients scrutinizing your time. As you gain experience, you can adjust your rates. Factor in the time it takes you, the value you provide, and your desired income. It's okay to start a bit lower to gain experience, but don't make it a habit. Your skills are valuable. Be confident in your pricing. If a client pushes back, be prepared to explain the value you bring. Remember, you're offering a solution to their problem, not just a task. Clear and timely communication is paramount in freelancing. Respond promptly to inquiries, keep clients updated on progress, and be transparent about any challenges. Good communication builds trust. Always strive to meet deadlines. If you foresee a delay, communicate it immediately and offer solutions. Reliability is a cornerstone of a successful freelance career. Aim to over-deliver whenever possible. Going the extra mile, even in small ways, can leave a lasting positive impression. This often leads to repeat business and valuable referrals. After completing a project, politely ask for a testimonial or review. Positive feedback is crucial for building your reputation and attracting new clients. It validates your work and expertise. Freelancing is a journey of continuous improvement. Always be on the lookout for new skills to learn or ways to refine your existing ones. The market is constantly evolving, and so should you. Cultivate strong relationships with your clients. Happy clients are your best advocates and often provide ongoing work. Treat every client interaction as an opportunity to build a long-term connection. As you gain experience and build your portfolio, don't be afraid to raise your rates. Your time and expertise become more valuable over time. Regularly review your pricing strategy. Consider specializing further within your niche. Becoming an expert in a very specific area can allow you to command higher rates and attract more targeted clients. Deep expertise is highly valued. Starting freelancing with no experience is not just possible, it's an exciting adventure. You have the potential, the drive, and now a clear roadmap. Don't wait for permission or the perfect moment. Begin today by identifying one skill, creating one portfolio piece, or reaching out to one potential client. Each small step builds momentum. Your freelance journey starts with that first action. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the successes, and keep learning. The world of freelancing is open to you, and your unique contributions are needed. Go out there and build your own path.